So the subject of this one is how to do the exams that are online. Now there are going to be 50 questions, and these questions are going to be probably evenly displaced, and it's going to be coming from two sources. First, my video lectures, or my face-to-face lectures through my face-to-face class. The new Colossus is part of those lecture series as well. The other one is going to come from the textbook. This one right here, and you must have it. AMSCO's American Placement History, United States History, the classic edition, okay? Make sure you get the classic edition, not the other one. It's not going to do you any good. The SHE textbook won't do you any bit of good as well. So you've been forewarned. If you're coming from a dual enrolled school, say, no, we need to have this book. Now, this book is only $30, people. This is next to the Student Success book. This is the cheapest textbook you're going to get in Daytona State College. And I would tell you, for a primary course that you're going to have to take in your college or university career, I would probably honestly say you're not going to have spend anything less than this for a textbook. Now, one of the reasons I chose it is because it's pretty meats and potatoes. It's like the #1 book that's used to help students prepare for the Advanced Placement U.S. History exam, which I guarantee you is a lot harder than my exams. So make sure you give yourself plenty of time to study. You're only going to have an hour to complete the exam. If you don't know the question, go to the next one, and then you can always come back. But the best way to prepare is first study, read, listen to lectures, take notes. I mean, that's the whole purpose of the outlines, because the outlines do follow the lectures to help you take notes and help you prepare. Okay? So hopefully we'll be prepared and do well on the exams.